Hi everyone, my name is Sen Hui. I'm an associate consultant with CloudSign. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of our newest features in WebOrion, Smart Image Hash, SIH for short. It does an awesome job of reducing false alerts when monitoring images compressed by CDN. In this video, I will share with you how this works. But first, let me explain to you how our current advanced integrity engine works. The engine checks the website, downloads the HTML elements, and hashes it. Next, we form an intelligent baseline. If there are any subsequent changes to the website, the engine will check against the baseline. If there are any changes, the system will flag out an alert. One of the HTML elements that forms the baseline is the image file. If there's a slight change to the file, just a 1 pixel difference, it will raise an alert. One method of reducing image file size is through compression. Compression reduces image size by removing some of its hidden information, and each compression lets you adjust the quality, level of detail, and the size when saving each image. If you look at these two images, you cannot tell the difference. And they are the same image file. The difference is that one is compressed and the other is uncompressed. However, our advanced integrity engine is able to tell the difference because of the hashes, and it will trigger an alert. Next, let's talk about CDN, how CDN works. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, caches content, such as images, videos, or web pages, in proxy servers that are located closer to end users than origin servers. Because the servers are closer to the user making the request, a CDN is able to deliver content more quickly. One method of delivering the content more quickly to the user's browser is by compression through CDN. Because CDN needs time to compress the image, when it first delivers to the engine, it might be the uncompressed version, and this will form the baseline of the current website. After it has compressed the image, it will deliver the compressed version and cache it. Next time, the engine requests the same web page again, it will send a cached image to them. The engine will detect a difference in the hashes and trigger alerts. This is where the smart image hash comes in. Using hashing algorithms, they are designed for image hashing. They can output similar hashes for compressed and original images, and quite different results for images that are different. If the image is compressed and our advanced integrity engine detects a difference in the hashes, SIH provides a second layer check to make sure that the compressed images do not produce any false alert. So the objective is to raise an alert only when there's a real defacement. Let me show you a demo to see how it works. Okay, so this is the website that we are monitoring. So let's go to our WebOrion portal. So let's add a new web page. So as you can see here. So let's save. So now you will form an intelligent baseline of our current web page. So the process will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait patiently. Okay, so now it's done. Let's give this web page a name. And let's go to the bottom, turn off full page signature. And this is where we have formed the baseline of all the HTML elements. This is the baseline value. Now, let's save. So based on this polling level, the engine will actually check the website every 15 minutes. So for demonstration purposes, we'll verify the web page now. So once verification is complete, you see a OK status, it means it's good. Everything is okay, so you close, then you save. So let's go back to this website and let's take a look at the image size. So if we go to the bottom, let's take a look at this image size. As you can see, the file size is 16.8 KB. So let's remember this for a while. Next, what I want to do is to simulate the compression by CDN. So let's go back to this website again. Let's go to the bottom and let's inspect this image size. As you can see now, the size is 11.4 KB. Okay, so let's go back to the monitor. As you can see, the data is still okay because you haven't reached the polling interval yet. So right now, we will just verify. The web page. The URL data is warning. As you can see, all the images have changed, but actually it's because of the compression. So let's verify one more time. So as you can see now, it becomes critical. So the image changes is the same as before. So these are the images that has been changed. So without Smart Image Hash, if the website enables image compression, an alert will always be triggered upon polling because the image files or the hashes have changed from the baseline. However, the alert is a false alert as the image is changed due to compression rather than defacement. So now let's take a look at what happens if you turn on the Smart Image Hash. So if you turn on the Smart Image Hash, as you can see here, there's an alert threshold settings. So what happens is that our WebOrion engines will check the baseline and the latest images. It will return a score of these two images to indicate how similar they are. The minimum score is 0 and the maximum score is 100. The lower the score, the more similar the two images are. A score of 0 means that the two images are totally identical, while a score of 100 means that the two images are completely different. So in our testing of SIH, we have found that a score of 10 and below typically means that two images are essentially the same, even if compression is enabled. Therefore, we recommend 10 to be our default setting, which can be adjusted to cater to different websites if required. So let's click OK and save, and let's verify again. So now the status has changed to OK. That's all for my demonstration. You can see that Smart Image Hash is easy to use and it is suitable for monitoring images compressed by CDN. It reduces false positive, and what's more, this is a free feature for WebOrion Enterprise customers. Feel free to try out, and if you'd like to find out more about our product solutions, contact us at sales@cloudsign.tech.